Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Tails OS in a USB drive using Windows. So let's get started. First open a browser. Search tails.net. Here you will come on the Tails official website. So what is Tails? Tails is a portable operating system that protects against surveillance and censorship. It is used by activists to hide their identity, journalists to publish sensitive information, and you, because you need extra privacy in this digital world. Tails is the part of the Tor project. Now let's install Tails. Click on Install Tails. Here choose your operating system. The requirement for Tails are a USB stick with minimum 8 gigs of storage, Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11, minimum 2 gigs of RAM, and click download Tails. Here you will come to download the USB image. I have already downloaded the image, so I will verify the image. Select your image. Let it verify for a second. After the verification is successful, download Rufus. I have already downloaded Rufus, so I will just close the browser and run Rufus. Here now insert your USB drive in your PC or laptop. If your USB drive is not showing in the Rufus, close Rufus and reopen it. After your USB drive is showing here, select your disk image. After selecting the disk image, make sure it is BIOS or UEFI CSM and file system is FAT32. Click start. Make sure to back up all the data on the pen drive because Rufus will destroy all the data on the USB drive in this process. After the USB drive is ready, close Rufus and all other softwares. Now restart your PC. Now I will restart my PC. After restarting, I will spam escape key to enter the boot menu. The key for the boot menu may be different depending on the PC or laptop. In my case it is the escape key, but in some older PCs or laptop it may be delete or F12. Now using arrow keys I will select the my USB drive and click enter. After this you will enter the Tails setup. Click on the first option and enter. Wait it to load. It may take some time to load in the first try. And Tails is ready. Now you can create persistent storage, because if you shut down the PC, Tails will forgot what you have done on it. So if you want to save some files which you don't want to get, which you don't want that those files should get deleted, then create persistent storage. But I don't need it, so I will just click start Tails. When you click the window key on the PC, you can run apps. It comes with some free and open source apps such as Audacity, Inkscape, GIMP, and more. It also comes with the Tor browser, which is a private browser which gives you privacy and doesn't let your internet service provider see what are you doing on the internet. It is a very good browser for privacy. If you need to delete anything on this operating system, just shut down it and boom, everything is gone. And thanks for watching. See you tomorrow in the next video.